Alright, it's the day before the bachelor party begins. Tomorrow we have a 8-hour, or maybe 9 with stops, drive to Gulf Shores, Alabama. Should be pretty fun. Carrington's bachelor party.
What's good, bro? That's Chris, man. This is nice, bro.
It's Saturday morning, be out here just fishing right in front of the fucking house.
Solid.
Congratulations again.
I appreciate it,
everybody
man.
get up. Adam, thank you for setting everything up. I appreciate you.
Thank you, Adam. To Adam.
It's my pleasure.
Appreciate it.
Like, hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah, brother.
That's a dope ass camera.
What you get for getting married? Oh my God.
It's an honor and a privilege, sir, for being here to witness this Cowboys' last ride as a single man.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Hurry up.
Yes, sir. Time to get it.
Alright, it's about 6 in the morning. We need to be at the boating place by I think 6:30, and it's about 30 minutes away. We're about to go fishing. Deep sea fishing, fishing charter. I've never done anything like this before. Most of the group hasn't either. We'll see how it goes. We could be out there just getting cooked. That's why we're all wearing long sleeves. But I could be out there getting cooked and we may not catch anything great. This is the first full day. I think when we get back, we have nothing really planned, just to kind of decompress. We'll be fishing till about 1 o'clock, I think. So we'll see how tired we all are.
Nice, bud.
Only child?
Yeah, no. Middle child.
Dick is what it is.
Yeah, alright. I'm Tyson, by the way. It's nice to meet all of y'all. Little thing about the weather today. We do have it. It is not going to be anywhere near flat. Oh, well. Y'all's discretion and stuff.
We'll take the chance today. I mean, yeah.
Right, Joe?
Yeah.
All right.
We out here living the lavish life. The lavish life.
Get off my yacht.
This water is actually a little choppy. Like I'm like looking at the waves coming as we were just crashing into them. Oh my God. I'm like crouching right now. Look at it, I'm crouching.
I forgot to ask you, like, I get it as a businessman, you don't like it.
Uh-oh. Hey, I was gonna be waving.
Oh my God. Dude, this is insanely like, I don't know, I've never been on a boat like this, so like this is like throwing me around a little bit.
little bit about it. All these riding reels, they might look different, might have a different rod. They're all gonna work the same. If y'all want to, y'all can go ahead and get a rod. Get kind of picked out where you want to be at. We got plenty of space on here.
I don't know where I'm gonna go. Here you go.
Carrington. That's why I had to be asking.
Bro, I don't know how many times I'm going like this in my bed where the boat goes here and I'm here and it goes smack.
Dude, Adam was saying that. He kept seeing you
I kept
go
seeing
up and
you,
down.
you're like, I was like, oh shit, dude. That's why I went down like, dude, you okay?
Dude, that happened to me a million times. I finally be catching it. What happened to me, bro?
You didn't know you was throwing up? You just sat right next to him.
You was talking all that shit last night, bro. Oh shit. Damn, boy. That's what happens when you don't take them pills, them water pills.
All right, well that's Carrington. Throwing up. Yeah, you're getting it out of your system now, and you should be good. Staying here with the AC, you're sweating a little bit, understandably so. But yeah, as we're sitting here fishing, it's going to be just rocking like this the entire time because this is just how the water is out here, with the wind and all that.
Thank you. Oh, appreciate you. They immediately turned it and handled 5 times over.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, much better.
You're live now.
Somewhat.
Pictures of them? We're gonna take them to the dock.
I'm gonna slap the shit out of somebody with that thing.
Trying to give me the read deeper.
'em. No, it's a link.
But yeah, so far, nothing noteworthy from me. Three, 2, 1. So how many fish did you catch, Carrington?
0.
And how many times out of the 7 stops did you fish?
1.5.
1.5.
How many times did I throw up? 3 times.
A decent amount. Hey, you paid a nice $200.
But I still made it. I still fucking made it.
You paid $200 to take a nap.
And throw up.
And throw up. What a deal.
You don't win them all, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Alright, well, we got them. We just gotta get that angle, man. Let's get a couple of them like this in the whole boat.
By the way, this next part's gonna be really gross, so you may want to cut away while we clean the fish. Alright, I'm back outside. People are finally up and at 'em. It's, I don't know, like 12:30 right now. See how the guys are doing. Carrington's out here. Oh yeah, also there's gonna be a wedding here. They have a wedding going on right over here. I think all these people behind me are here for that wedding. So that'd be a nice little show for us later today. I tried getting an underwater shot, but it's really murky.
What's up, J-Boy?
Wow.
We out here living life, man. Kick back, bro. We on the beach. We living life. We're celebrating our boy Carrington, dude.
How did you end up here?
I ended up here because I happened to be born in this guy's family.
You're fucking lucky. That's what it sounds like.
I guess so.
You end up here, sir.
Man, I met Carrington probably like 12 years ago. And I was just that dude that just said dumb shit and danced. I think he just kept me on. So I'm more like a hired service, entertainment. So, you know, after that, it was a question of, you know, do you want to come? I said, yeah. I drove 8 hours.
Did you end up here,
I don't want my
Garrett?
interview right now. But wait till I met you, I think, a little bit before Mike through Will. I don't know if that's true.
During our shenanigans, obviously, after high school, but you know, we kept close, still stayed in touch. We might live a fucking across the other side of town, but we still make it happen when you send us invites for the bachelor party. And
Yes,
we look
sir.
forward to the wedding, my boy. So congratulations, and we are happy to be there.
Appreciate it, bro.
Not now, but I gotta have my cigar in my hand. Not now.
Oh, damn.
now.
He's bashful.
I need to have later too, bro.
Oh, man. Come on now.
bro. Come on, bro.
All right. So Flavor Flav is not ready for it. How did you end up here?
I don't know. I don't know, actually. I ended up here. I just met you guys.
In Alabama, there's a lot of beach hobos, so we're just very kind.
I don't know that.
He ain't under the chin.
Oh, shit.
Get this on camera, bro. Get this on camera, bro. You sorry? You sorry? You sorry? You okay? You sorry? All right. All right.
What do you mean hold on, Mike? What do you mean hold on?
The true person who won is Ice. Oh, shit.
What the hell happened?
I just got stung by something. God damn.
We have both weddings going on. This one over here and this one over here. Dude, I've been out of the water for like 2 hours now and I'm exhausted. Woo!
Before we go, I want to say I appreciate all you guys for coming out. I know wasn't easy coming this far out. It was some of you guys flew in, some of you guys drove over 8-9 hours. So I really appreciate it. I want to give a shout out to Adam. I appreciate you putting in the work. I know dealing with us idiots is not easy, so I appreciate it, you know.
Fuck you all.
I appreciate everybody else as well, you know what I mean? All y'all played a part planning and putting this together and everything like that, so thank you guys. Appreciate it. My boys. All right, let's get it. Florida Bama.
I just came running back to my camera. We were about to leave. Excuse me, Avery.
Are you gonna be good to go?
Probably not.
What a night. One last view.
Bunch of little fish jump.
But I am glad that I don't have to sit in the car for 8 hours. So.
Dude, yeah, I'm very happy. I'm very jealous.
You have fun with that. I'm flying out of here. And that is the end of the bachelor party. Had an absolutely great time, but had to fly back to Houston because, well, I had to see Beyonce. Didn't want to risk missing my girl, but I had a great time on this bachelor party. Here's some clips from Carrington's wedding.
announce you husband and wife.